Here we have a 2017 Nissan Altima. What we're going to do today is we're going to remote start it with the remote. Here's your remote. You got the lock, unlock, the remote start, trunk release, and panic button. So let's lock the car. And then what we're going to do is press and hold this arrow at the top and don't let up. Voila, it started the car. So we can unlock the car. Let's go take a look at it. You can see the car is on. I have the remote normally on these Nissans to open it. If it's in your purse or in your pocket, you could just push this button to open the car. I'm gonna jump inside real quick. Okay, the AC's on. Somebody left it really high, so we're gonna turn it down. And so now the car's on, but if you read over here, it says park and brake, start to drive, or push brake and push the start button to drive. That's if we wanted to drive off in the car and start it. So suppose you got in your car, or let's say somebody else opened up the door before you got there. There's no way. Let's go ahead and touch this brake and see what happens. Okay, we touched the brake. Now we're going to try to shift it. The car turned off. So that's a neat feature. I've done some other videos where we've done the Dodge Chargers. We've done some different vehicles and they don't shut off. But on this one, on the Altima, if you try to put your foot on the brake and shake it to try to shift it into drive, the car is going to turn off. So that's a good sign. So you know your car is safe and secure. This is a 2017 Nissan Altima. That's how you start the vehicle. Lock, press and hold this arrow key, the light will flash and the car will start. Thanks for watching.